What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay, and today is a special day because it's Phoenix Rising's Media Day. That's right, we're going to get a chance to actually ride it. There's a lot to see and do. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so it is our time to ride, being escorted down to the station right now. And here we go. So we can see a camera setup over here off to the right for Media Day. And the main entrance. Wait time sign right over here off to the right. Let's do it! Queue area. I assume going to be split. Quick queue, regular queue. And here we have some of the theming.
Forces and speeds that may not be acceptable to some persons and may cause
Alrighty guys, so here we are, we're on the ride, and I'm super excited. One thing I do want to note is these seats, they're pretty roomy. In fact, we just rode Penguin Trek recently. I feel like I have even more room. This is kind of nice actually. What's up guys, we are here on Phoenix Rising. We're about to do this right now, our very first ride. I'm so excited. Here we go. Woo! It's a really quick lift hill. You can hear the audio. And here we go, baby. Let's do this. Nice. Woo! Good air right there, actually. Snappy. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. G's there. That's awesome. Woo! All right, that was a solid addition here to Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Phoenix Rising, I'm really impressed actually. Good G's, good speed, and really tight turns. I mean, that thing is really tight. That's a good fun ride, guys. That's one of those that families are gonna love and they're gonna do over and over again. Alrighty guys, so we just had a chance to do Phoenix Rising here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. Overall, really great family attraction. And I'm not just saying that, like, it's got some G-forces on there. In fact, even did a ride log on there. It pulls 3 Gs in some of the turns, half negative G in some of the areas, so there is a little bit of air time. But overall, traction is really good. The seats themselves feel like they're wider than Penguin Trek. They may be the same on paper to B&M, but me personally, it feels more comfortable, more roomy. I have more free movement, circular or forwards, backwards, sideways, you name it, while still feeling very secured in the seat with the harness. Lift hill is incredibly fast. First drop is awesome with a little kink in it, so you kind of swing out to the side. And first drop, amazing. Again, G-forces all over the ride. Tight transitions and turns, and I actually think the transitions and turns are some of my favorite parts of the ride, especially that element right there. When you're low to the ground, flying by, and then you swoop in the air right over the entrance, it's kind of a memorable experience. But overall, scale of 1 to 10 for a family coaster on this, I'm going to give it probably an 8.5, if not a 9. The only downside to this, in my honest opinion, is that it's not longer. I really wish it was, but they had a very tight footprint to actually fill here, and they've done an excellent job. Theming is pretty good. Cue music is amazing. I love the LED screens inside the station. Onboard audio is also really cool. So yeah, I think it's a solid family attraction, and to be honest, kind of like it more than Penguin Trek. But Phoenix Rising, awesome coaster here at Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. You've got to try it, guys. Good. It's really good.
That's why I'm saying this. I'm not telling you.
Inside the train at all times.
One thing I really like about this area, you can get very close to the ride. Just look at that. If you're looking for lockers, it's right here next to the Painted Camel Bazaar gift shop. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from Busch Gardens Tampa Bay for Phoenix Rising. And I got to say thank you to all of the fans for the last year or so, covering the construction, being there for the support. It's been an awesome ride, guys. I know we started out from first markings on the ground all the way to when we rode it today. and it's an awesome ride. So if you do get a chance, please come out and try it. I do want to say thank you to Busch Gardens for inviting us for Media Day, and we're going to be back for plenty more updates, hopefully for future attractions. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the website formerly known as Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.